Welcome everybody back to Boost Emotion, guys. And today, this one is a weird video. Shout out to my Infinity brothers, but I don't know about this one. You might have seen the title. Guys, let's hit that intro. Welcome everybody back to Boost Emotion, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you. Welcome everybody back. Welcome everybody back to the channel. If you are subscribing to the channel, that means you already hit the like button. Please and thank you. Now, if you are new to this channel, please watch this video and watch some other videos. I do talk about different automotive content. This channel is becoming something else, but I really would appreciate your support. So definitely watch this video. If you like it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell notification. So if you guys have already seen the thumbnail, I don't know what's going on. Let's not make you guys wait any longer. It's a short video, 15 seconds, but there's so much to unpack here. So let's quickly go over to Facebook. Shout out to William Phillips. It seems like he's an old retiree, about 65 years old, from what I can read in his post. But this man, you know what? I'm gonna let the video do its own talking. All right? Let's let the video do its own talking. Ready? Let's go. All right, so first thing, what did we just see there? What did we just see there? Break this down, guys. Tell me what is going on here. First thing, I don't even know what that is at the rear section of that car. Is that a jack of some kind? I don't know what's going on here. But from what I can see in his trunk, maybe those are capacitors with battery cells of some kind, and pretty much it's wired up for to discharge electricity at high amount of volts or amperage, right? Cool. Okay, I kind of got that part. So shout out to him for actually wiring this up. Now, going to the inside, it seems like he replaced the gear stick with something else. I don't know what exactly is going there, but it seems like he has to press a button of some kind to get it to start up, and then he presses another toggle switch right here. I guess this primes the car or gets the turbochargers ready for the discharge. But and it gets everything ready. You can hear the car turn on. And from what you can see here, I can see a lot of wiring harnesses. Um, that's a blow-off valve system there. He has some kind of blow-off valve off the intake coupling. So you have the electric turbocharger, which he has sucking up from the front of engine, from the front duct. Then he has the mass airflow, some kind of intake coupling, and then another intake coupling that gets, I guess, for the PVC system, but it also has a blower valve system that he's wired up here too, and other. I don't know, man. This is too much. And then everything else here seemed like he relocated some stuff. That's like a capacitor or a heat sink. He did a lot of wiring. He did a lot of wiring. Once again, that is a blow valve system, but that one is not even. Is that even on the car? This blow valve one over here. It didn't look like it was on the car. And those are the turbos spooling up. So I don't even know what to say here. I know you guys looking at this like, yo, this guy is just playing around doing his nonsense, right? Now, I'll just be fair, I like to give grace. There are electric turbochargers out there that work. Nothing off of Wish, just like some from Wish. But electric turbochargers are a thing that can deliver a certain amount of psi, but you need so much volts or amperages to run those electric turbochargers, and for a certain period of time, because you would have to replenish the energy system just so it can keep that turbocharger spinning. So it's only for a certain period of time. That's why most cars, such as the new C43 and the C63 and the old black Q60S, was going to be regenerative, where it regains electricity and it discharges it back into the electric assist turbocharger. This one's just a full electric one. So I like the idea, and I like that it has everything working, but theoretically, I don't think it works properly. This car probably running on full load is probably not delivering enough air for it to even keep running. And even then, once the turbocharger is completely discharged, now it's going to just be a choking point. There's no air being sucked into the motor at higher RPM, right? But what I also want to talk about here is the comments. The comment section. So let's quickly take a look at the comment section. And I mean, I'm not trying to make fun of William Phillips. I think it's a great idea. I like when people take the idea and try to get something to work. It's great. I'm happy you got it working, but implement it on this, I don't think it makes sense. Maybe on like a grass cutter or something like that, or something with a very small CC engine. I see it making sense. But on this, not necessarily. So yes, it's electric chair hover around ASCII. I can charge the ultra super capacitors with either my house amp plug-in or 2 minutes to top them off, or drop this motor by the way of Honda Civic window motor regulator at 20 miles an hour for about 3 seconds for on a fly charging. At 61 volts full charge, my 3,000 farad capacitors. Okay, I guess I was right about the capacitors. It gives me about 20 seconds of 15 to 17 pounds of boost with methanol injection, almost doubles my horsepower. With factory management system, still gets 30 miles an hour, and I do not have to subject to a tuner guys who can leave us stranded with some sorry mapping. Now, first thing I thought he was joking with this reply, but then I thought about it. An electric chair hover around, charged with the ultra super capacitors with either my house or plug-in or 2 minutes with top off. He's actually being dead serious here, guys. He can really charge it from his house. He's not joking. This is what electricians can do. People who can work electricity can do this. So he's not lying about this. So you can actually do so, right? And is he right about the 15 to 17 psi boost? I really don't know. He might be right. He doesn't really. There's not much in the video, but nonetheless, it's possible. Maybe that other blue line on the engine is for the boost gauge. So he is actually picking up a certain amount of boost. He does have a boost gauge on the side puller there or some kind of gauge. So that other blue line right there is probably what reads for the boost gauge. And he has a blower valve system. So he's probably telling you guys the honest truth. That's awesome. Yet they ordered one online and slapped it on the cobalt and dyno and did some pulls, and it was no big difference. The way this is set up is amazing. Definitely worth looking into. You guys been giving this guy grace. So no tune. So how lean are you going to run in the boost? All the lean pop holes in the pistons, rip ringlands, lean 57 psi, as he's claiming will destroy it. Yeah. Let me see if there's anything here that's worth talking about, guys. I thought that it looked familiar. Okay, cool. I want to know how much pounds. He said 17 for 20 seconds. My vacuum makes the same sound when it sucks up a sock. Waste of time and money. He lives his life 20 seconds at a time. For those who 20 seconds, nothing else matters. That was pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Are you using controller for airflow output on the turbos or just full send all the time? Okay, cool. He pretty much answers that. Nothing really here stands out. Everyone's just pretty much bashing him on the post because like, what the hell? I disagree with how this is being measured, first off, and I believe you are only restricting airflow by adding fans in line, not to mention turbulence and incorrect automation. Also, if you were building proper boosts, you would most definitely need a tune, fuel mapping, boost control, wastegate, or you will continue to build boosts until it stops spinning, etc. I do not believe these numbers are at all. I read you are doing meth injection, and that's where you are seeing increase, if any at all. Back to the drawing board, as well as weight of all it is definitely cutting down power. So once again, some people actually theoretically gave him a conversation about it. Overcomplicated and heavy setup, but it's clean as hell without the extra noise. And so some people actually really giving this guy grace. Looks like a Radio Shack threw up all over the car. Man, I lived in Michigan for 25 years and ain't never seen that license plate. Missed the old sunset plate. And nonetheless, I don't see anybody really joking around here. Got the car 4 years ago and complete upgrades about 2 years ago. It's sort of garage clean now until it's paid off. It ain't paid off yet. All right, cool. Nonetheless, let's close this one off by saying this. Like, I'm gonna be quite honest with you guys. I don't want to really like drag the dude, but as I said, theoretically, it seems like a cool idea. Electric turbochargers are gonna be a thing in the future. Without any or without any assist from exhaust, but they're going to be pricey units, and the way they're going to develop the systems, they're going to be hybrid. So for them to have consistent power when they need it, there's going to be battery packs on the car. The car can be able to charge those battery packs through the car running on gasoline, right? So I see electric chargers, electric turbochargers, or electric assist turbochargers being a thing. But even then, I still see electric assist over electric fully, because electric assist, if there'll always be exhaust that will always pick up for the majority of power, because no, that's wasted energy if you just have an electric assist. If you have electric turbocharger, but it's still running on gasoline, it wouldn't make any sense at the end of the day. Like, it just wouldn't make any sense. You're wasting too much gas. So nonetheless, good idea. Shout out to women Phillips. Guys, don't go too hard on him. I get it. It's older dude. It is what it is. Much love to you, brother, for just getting it done. This is how this is how people start new things, and I give them that. But nonetheless, for what you're doing it on, no, complete pass. But outside that, guys, you have a good morning, good afternoon, good night. Thank you for banging with your boy Boost. I really appreciate you guys. You already know what to do. Boost Emotion on IG, Facebook, and boostemotion.com. Hopefully, got that like button. Otherwise than that, guys, you have a good day. I appreciate you. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Do appreciate you guys. Love you guys very much. You can also check out the 2 links I posted for some of my other videos. Also, on top of that, if you want to purchase some Boost Emotion merch, definitely check the link that I posted also. And finally, if you've been watching all my videos and you enjoy them, please hit the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel.